CORZ is expected to consolidate with the bias to the upside, going all the way towards Tuesday, the 12th of August. And it has a couple of projections. It has, let's see, closed at 12.65. So it has no upper projections. Everything is a down projection based on what we have right now, based on what is in play on its 4-hour chart. But indeed, there should be previous upper projections. We have upper projections 12.75, 13.12, 13.47, 13.76, 13.94. There might even be higher prices. Okay, 14.1. Okay, there, higher prices. We have 14.55, 15.02, 15.31. Let's see. Yeah, 15.63, 16.07. Indeed, also there are downward projections. We have as low as 0.1140, 2.19, 5.54. In terms of its price pressure momentum, let's see what we have. Okay, everything is in a strong bearish mode. It's in a very everything. All the price pressure momentums are indicating that selling pressure is really severe. Nothing positive. There are no positive values anywhere, but it's gradually improving on its. But rather, the selling pressure is gradually decaying based on the second this negative this diminishing negative second derivative on its here on this four on its 4-hour chart. So let's quickly have a look at the daily chart and see. Okay, the underlying trend is bullish. Yeah, its 200-day moving average is sloping upwards, at least not steeply, or not yeah not steeply sloping upwards, but it's sloping upwards slightly. So it's bullish as things stand right now. Yes, I believe in the last 3 months, in the last 1 year, has gained 30% or thereabouts. So unfortunately, it doesn't have enough data for extrapolation of its 3-day moving average. But here we have even higher projections. We have 14.84, 19.7, 22.48, 24.20. These prices are currently in play as of Friday, the 4th of August. Let's see now. We have, what do we have here? 24, yeah, 24.20. Yeah. So I think that's the highest we have seen so far on the stock. Yeah. What has happened is that it had a volatility expansion. All in all, I can even say since late April, the stock began to print an uptrend, and then went volatile, or rather went the angle of attack got very steep as of the 24th of June or thereabouts. So this expansion that took it all the way towards what this is what somewhere around $21 or thereabouts. It's that expansion is what is being contracted. That contraction I would say began sometime in early July. And that's what is playing out right now. Uh, we don't exactly know when it might end, but it's that expansion is what is playing out. I think that's also what we saw on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, but it's on the 4-hour chart is more of it's more with a bearish bias. So let's see what we have here. Okay, selling pressure. We can see here. Yeah, you can see what I mean over there. That the selling pressure has started to diminish. You can see here it's clearly we clearly have positive second derivatives on the 10 and the for the 10 and 21 day moving averages, and you can see here as well the still in this in a strong bearish mode for the 10 and 21 day moving averages are still strongly bearish, but they are much more. You can see they're a lot more, a lot less here on this daily chart. So everything is most indications are a lot more amplified on the 4 hour chart. The 4 hour chart is looking, it has more data. Yeah, it has more data, and it's a lot more. It tends to amplify events a lot more. Yeah, it comes a lot more. The frequency of update is higher, so we'll have things. We'll have a lot of things, a lot of indications amplified on them. So, but things are looking like they are improving. I don't think anything is out of place here. This the stock has expanded massively. It's in a consolidation phase as things stand right now, and the 4 hour chart is not really indicating that it's going to really. Well, it's actually indicating that higher prices may continue to come as well. So while it's also consolidating, I think that's the whole picture of it all. You know. So let's see what we have on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, let's see what we have. Okay, here we have let's see. Okay, 25.48. We've seen those sort of prices already. That okay, yeah, that's higher than the one we saw there on the daily chart. You saw $24 or thereabouts. So I don't think we have anything higher than what we've seen here already. Yeah, the same contraction as well. The volatility expansion is also reflected here on its weekly chart. So it's in a consolidation phase right now. Yeah, trying to contract the expansion. The I think late June expansion, it's trying to contract it. Yeah, let's see one more time on the. Yeah, you can see how it's playing out a lot more pronounced here. You can see that consolidation playing out here. So it's more, amongst other things as well. The 4 hour chart it magnifies. It gives you it magnifies. It gives you more details for every day. You have more data points. So that's, you can see all the days. All the days are just expanded here. So yeah, so whatever we didn't see on the daily chart, it's now telling us, yes, that we're going to see contraction, but it's just going to be with a bias to the upside, especially up till Monday, Thursday, the 7th of August. Then after that, again, it might continue the consolidation and all that. So projections go all the way towards $25. It could defy this expansion. It could defy this contraction and spike, or even begin to or retrace, as the case may be. On Friday, the 1st of August, it lost 6.57%. So it could be anything. It could be anything. After the consolidation, it may resume the uptrend or drop the ball and print lower prices. But let's see how things go. The algos are saying that for this coming week ending by on the 8th of August, it's higher prices. It's an uptrend. Yeah, let's see how things go. So the question is, what can possibly justify this uptrend that the algos are talking about? What is in its fundamentals that can justify this? Maybe they have something there that can justify this. I know fundamentally as well, the company is talking about giving more compute space to CoreWeave and all that. So CoreWeave is now like the go-to, if you like, or for data center infrastructure and all that. So let's see how things go. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.